Welcome one and all to the 60th Annual Bird Beauty Contest. I'm your host, Brody Crested Cormorant Barron the Third. Let's begin. All that glitters is gold with contestant number 1, Lady Bay. She's so pretty. Beautiful, actually. Stunning, regal, exhilarating, majestic, angelic. And here's contestant number 2, Hinga, with the interesting choice of the reach around and scratch, and finishes strong. And here's contestant number 3, Winnie, the great white egret, sharing her classic step and lift of the neck. Winnie, the great white egret, has been the reigning champion for the last 3 years. Will this frontrunner win again, or will she be defeated?
I'm Bird Blitzer with breaking news from BBN. Audio has been leaked from Annie and Inga just moments ago.
Anyone notice how the great white egret got so much more time? I quit!
How will the host respond? Let's tune in.
Oh, hello, lovely. Our next contestant is Barbara, the great blue heron, making the outstanding choice to show her shadow. Could this be a game changer?
Bird breaking news. Winnie, the great white egret, has been disqualified for using beauty-enhancing steroids.
Well, no shit.
And more news. We've just received this audio from earlier today.
Hey. Psst. Lady Bay.
Oh.
It's me, Brody Barron the Third.
What are you doing here?
You win if you breed with me.
Oh.
You'll love my nest box. And all the birds let me grab them by the tail.
I do want to win.
Oh, winning is my thing. And I've paid off the judges.
Shocking news. The contestant is disqualified and the host fired.
Oh, the fans love me. I'm the star. There's no show without me. I'm going to sue the Bird News Network for $50 birzillion. I'll take...
A good time for a word from our sponsor.
911, what is your emergency?
Rescue Birds 911. Will these birds help this man find this dog, and this dog find this ball? Tune in tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Bird Time.
Surprising news. I've been asked to take over as host and...
So sorry I'm late. I hope I can still be in the competition. Traffic was horrendous on the I-75. There were birds back to back, so I just flew over to the beach. Oh, I'm not usually such a mess. Let me just pull myself together and show you my lean legs, my graceful walk, and my beautiful surroundings. Go ahead, show them. I hired my own camera bird. We're waiting. Good. Now me. Stay on me. Me, fool. And I finish strong. If you love Bird America, vote for me, Bianca, the great blue heron.
You're in the competition. Breaking news. These gulls are protesting the bird beauty contest.
Beauty pageants are obscene. Beauty pageants make us scream. Down with the patriarchy. Down with the patriarchy. Oh, sand shrimp. No.
I'm the least sexist bird I know. Let's burn this ship down. Everyone now. We hate the patriarchy.
Cut his mic and camera on. Moving on. These courier pelicans are flying the results through the ocean, and when they land, a winner will be announced. We will count every single vote, no matter how long it takes. But who will be crowned Miss Bird Beauty? Who will win it all? It's all down to 2 great blue herons. Let's find out after this quick message.
Having trouble going to the bathroom? Take Poop Again. Side effects include bloating, gas, stomach explosion, depression, diarrhea, and sometimes death. Remember, when you've got to poop, take Poop Again and poop on somebody at the beach. You feel better if the side effects don't kill you.
Welcome back. The courier pelicans just landed with the results. Congratulations, Bianca, the late arrival Great Blue Heron. You have been crowned the winner for the 60th annual Bird Beauty Pageant. Take your bird victory walk.
Me? No, what? Who? Oh, I won? Well, thank you. I totally deserve it.
Congratulations. That's it for the 60th annual Bird Beauty Pageant. What a year. Stay tuned for the Bachelorette Birds in Paradise. Until next time, I'm Bird Blitzer. From all of us here at the Bird Broadcast Network, good night.